Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Rishabh Jain and I am the team leader of the group having ID 2016CSE PID32. The other team members are Ratan Upadhyay and Nishu Goyal. Today I am here to present the working of our final year project Digital Municipality. Also, I would like to thank Professor Archana Sharma ma'am for her contribution in the project. So, by the title of our project Digital Municipality, one can easily suggest what the project is all about. That is the online municipality where the user can register their problem regarding the street light, garbage, etc. digitally. So let's go to the abstract and see what are the problems in the existing system. So, okay. This is the abstract. See the abstract on my screen. Municipalities are seen as one of the government priorities to provide satisfactory services to the users. Within the existing system, the problem is that the user have to make a complaint manually where they have no evidence that their problem has been resolved or not. Also, it requires a separate time to make a complaint regarding the problem. So, taking this problem in consideration, finally, we have come up with a solution where users can make a complaint online in just few steps. The main advantage of this system is the easiness to the user, and also many of the municipal benefits will be created, such as reduction of government responsibilities on paperwork. So you can see the DFD for admin DFD on my screen. Our project mainly works on two modules. One is admin module and other is citizen module. So get started with the citizen module. In citizen module, let's get started with the admin module. In admin module, admin are those who handle the website. So as of now, our website is running on the local host, so I am the one who is the admin as I am handling the website. To access all the details of the users, admin must first of all have to log in on the website. We have given a static username and password to the admin by which they can log in to our system. Now they can see all the details. You can see you can see the cursor on my screen. Now they can see all the details of the complaint registered by the users. Once the complaint is updated, that is solved by the municipality, a notice is generated which will be forwarded to the particular user. A notice is generated which will be forwarded to the particular user who registered that problem with the specific municipal ID. So this is the DFD for admin module, and this is all about admin module. So the second module for our project is citizen module. To register complaint on our website, the user must have to sign up to the website and thereby log in to the website. Once login, the unique user ID is generated, which will be very helpful to maintain the record of that user. The user can now register their problem to municipality in few simple steps. This is the problem for DFD. This is the notice which is come from the admin module when they updated the complaint. In that notice, the user can see the problem of their the user can see the solution of their problem, whether the problem is partially solved or completely solved, with the image provided by the admin module. So this is all about the citizen module. So now quickly jump to our website and see how the website is working. So this is the homepage of our website. So let's take an example. I am the user who wants to register the problem of the garbage. As I previously said, this website is running on the local host. As you can see, this website is running on the local host. So this won't help anyone to get to this website. But once this website is live with the specific domain, then anyone can get to the website by googling the URL. So for example, I am the user and I have to register the problem of the garbage. I have landed on this homepage of this website. First of all, I have to sign up on the web page. as I previously said, a unique user ID is generated. So I have to fill any random so I have to fill the username. I can take the any username. We have also used some filter on this form. For example, let's see in the password field, I have typed only 2 digits in the password field. Once I once I go to the next field, our password filter is generated and said password should minimum of 5 digits. So it is mandatory to give the password minimum of 5 digits. Also, all the fields are mandatory on this web page. So let's quickly fill the website. Also, I have to add the image of the user. So for email ID, for example, let's take an example. If by mistake I have put the wrong ID, so also the filter is automated and said invalid email ID. So it said the invalid email address. So I have to put the valid email ID too. My address, pin code. You can fill this detail very quickly. After filling this form, I have to I have to click on the submit button. Also, once user is able to sign up on the web page, a particular user ID will be generated, which we will see in our profile once we log in. So I have to log in. After sign up, I have to log in on the web page. This is the user login here. So to log in on the home page, click the user login button link. Sorry. So I have to give the same username which I will use when I sign up on the web page. Also, as I said previously, website is running on the local host. That's why we have seen the both user and the administrator on the same web page. So once login, the user can now come up on the user dashboard where they can see their profile with specific user ID. Uh, the user can see their profile under profile tab. This is the unique user ID which is generated 09, and this is the image of the user which I have selected, and these are all the details of the users. Also, if user want to change their password, they can also do that by coming in the change password field. To register to register a problem with the municipality, user have to go to the municipality tab and fill the correct details. So after coming in the municipality tab, this is the web page user have to fill to register a complaint to this website. After filling, when the user fills this web page, a unique municipality ID will be generated, which will be very helpful for the admin module when they will generate a notice. So in complaint type, in problem type, the user have to choose the option of the problem they are for here. So for example, I choose garbage. Also, I have to upload it the image of the problem. So I have uploaded the problem, and also I have to give the description. I have to select the area also. We have not used the live location feature, as for this we have to purchase the Google key. So this is our future scope once our website is live. So here we gave some name of the areas. So I have choose West Delhi, and I have to also give the valid contact number. After filling all these details and also email ID. After filling all these details, I have to click on the Submit tab. Once the user submit their problem, you can see the success register coming on their screen. Now admin is able to see the problem registered by the specific user in their dashboard. So log into the dashboard of the, so after filling the form, user have to log out, and that problem is forwarded to the admin. So to get to the admin module, admin dashboard, I have to log into the admin. As I said previously, we have set the static username and password for the admin module. Admin module, let's take the username A and password A. Once the admin is login, they can see the details of all the users under the users details tab. So the users, the admin is now able to see all the users registered on their website. So let's see the last user, and so see the last user, and yes, the name of the username is Ritik, and the user ID is 09. So you can see the photo also. I have used the same image and same username, and the same user ID will same user unique user ID will be generated, which I seen in the profile tab. So to see the user complaint details, admin have to go to the complaint tab, and here where the multiple filters we have used. So go in the complaint details, and there are multiple filter we have used: traffic light filter, street light, road, and garbage. So if user registered the complaint of traffic, it will go in the traffic light problem. For the street light, same goes, and also same for others. So for example, for I have registered the problem for the garbage. So go in the garbage filter and see that the problem is registered to the municipality or not. And see, unique user ID will be generated, and the same username and the same description, garbage in my area, and you can also see the time and phone number and email ID. We have used the same username Ritik, and also the description garbage in my area is also same. So we can now able to see the, so now admin can able to see the problems registered by the user in their module. So I saw in my, so you can see all these things. Once the problem is resolved by the admin, they will revert back to the user by clicking on the revert link. So once the problem is solved by the municipality, they have to revert back to the user. To revert back, they have to press the revert button as we saw there, and fill the automate form, which already have user ID, name, complaint type, description, which are same. So you can see 010 unique user ID, username Ritik, complaint date same. Only the admin have to select the status which is completed, and also have to upload the pic of the completed problem, resolved problem. After filling this information, admin have to click on the submit button. Once submitted, that detail is sent to the user having that unique user ID. This is where that notice is generated, which I talked to you earlier in the PPT. Once the problem is updated, user will get notification of the update problem. So now switch to the user dashboard. To get to the user dashboard again, we have to log in. We have to log in with the same ID, same username and password. Click login. So you can see this is the same user ID I have logged in previously. So under the solution tab, the user is able to see the status of their problem with the image. You can see with the image that user ID, municipality user ID 10, problem type, complaint type garbage, and you can also see the timing, complaint date and timing, and also description is also same. The status, complete date and uploaded photo will be generated by the notice that will be generated by the admin module. So user can also download the image of the solved problem sent by the admin. If user is satisfied with the municipality work, then user can make logout, and if not, then they will also able to make another complaint of the same problem by clicking on the municipality tab and by filling all these form. So this is the so let's take the so let's tap on the logout button. So this is message printing who successfully log out. So this is the whole working of our project, where user can register their complaint online by filling just few steps in simple ways. So at last, let's see the database of the user detail. So I have to go on my SQL log, the municipality tab, sign up. So now these are the database of all the users is created. We can also remove or create any table accordingly. Let's see, the last table is, yes, 09 user ID, user's name, password are the same which I have created last time. So now users can make a complaint digitally. So this is the whole working of our project. Now user can able to make a complaint digitally, and by this the number of complaint will increase. As the citizens know, it is now much easier to register a complaint online. This will help to make our area cleaner and of course our country cleaner. Also, the users have the proven records of the problem registered. These features are not available in the existing system, but our websites contain all these features that the user have the proven record of their registered problem. So this is the working of our final year project. So at last, I would like to thank all the faculty members and especially Archana Sharma ma'am for their valuable time and efforts in our project. Thank you.